welcome to another edition of PRVCA's Quick Tips. I'm Greg Dewalt, the Education Director, and today we're going to go over some items on your travel trailer and or fifth wheel that will make your RVing easier this summer. These are maintenance items or things you should just know and check and look at. Springtime's another good time to look at all your sealants on your RV. Every RV has sealants at the belt line. Well, this is what we call the belt line. It's actually your floor line. You can actually see the sealant there. What you're looking for are cracks or areas where water can penetrate. You also want to look for any rust marks. If you see rust marks coming down the coach somewhere, that's indicative of a leak. You also want to look around your windows and any attachments at all. So the electrical outlet here, this outlet here as well. You can look around the outside of it, see sealants on your belt line, on your doors, on your windows. And on your windows, you never want to seal up these little holes at the bottom. These are called weep holes, and they're designed that when water comes in and hits the window, it rolls down, it gets into the track in there, and you probably in a rainstorm, you can see it from the inside. But that water on the inside is supposed to roll back out these windows. If you want to do a good water inspection on the inside, use your hand and feel around on all your wall boards around windows and corners, up inside cabinets. And what you're feeling for is anything that gets kind of bumpy, pimply, that's an indication that you've got water coming in. Because what the wall board will generally do when it gets wet, the first thing it'll do, it'll start to pimple. And it'll just feel rough. It won't feel like the wall board everywhere else. Good time to go on top of your roof and look at all your roof sealant and make sure it's pliable. There's no cracks or bubbles or holes in it. Make sure that you fill in any of the areas, because during the winter time, if water gets into a crevice in there and it freezes, what's it going to do? It's going to expand and open up that crevice even more. For more information about the content of this video or other maintenance, care, and use of your RV information, please contact your local Pennsylvania Recreation Vehicle and Camping Association member. You can find your local member on our website, PRVCA.org. You can also see more educational presentations live at the 2021 Hershey Show, September 15th through the 19th in Hershey, Pennsylvania. For more information, visit largestrvshow.com.